With so many online sessions happening, everyone is getting stressed. We are juggling with lots of work at professional and personal front. Not to say that even the yoga and stretching sessions are happening online. You can't leave the screen now. It's high time to take a pause now. And the best way is to practice mindfulness as an activity, or rather say as a genuine energizer to enrich online session engagement. The activity is to speak to silence and not to other participants. Everyone is required to count numbers together as a group. They need to start from 1 and continue counting without missing any number. Everyone is expected to participate. In case 2 people clash at the same time while counting, they need to restart. You may give them a target like achieve 10, 20 or 50, or simply ask them to see what's the maximum number they can achieve. You may even ask the audience to close their eyes and focus on what they listen. As a facilitator, I was continuously asking them to slow down and keep reflecting. Something similar to a guided meditation session. Let's have a look at the session. This is one of the best activity I have ever done so far. Let's start.
1,
2,
3,
3. Oh shit.
Start.
1.
Chalo restart. 1, 2,
2.
No hurry. There's no
One.
hurry. You can actually let it go. Yeah, I won't speak. Let's see who's gonna speak. And let's try to sense that. Let's see if I'm in a position to sense by seeing the screen. Yeah. So let's start.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5,
6, 7,
8.
But this was a very good one. Yeah. But we reached till 7.
Better.
That's wonderful. And again, I'm saying this to you. Let's pause. Let's pause for a moment. Let's not be in a rush. Yeah. Let's not be in a hurry. Give opportunity to others. Let's let it be. Yeah. Let it go. I don't want to speak. Let's see others are speaking or not, and try to pick up that particular moment where you can make a judgment. Oh yeah, I feel like this is my turn. Since nobody is speaking, I think the whole universe is forcing me to participate. Yeah. Try to feel that. The target right now. The target is 15. Okay. Good then. Start.
1, 2,
3,
4.
5.
5,
Pause. I think if we pause, then it's going better.
Okay, good. Pause is actually making sense or creating a pressure on
Yeah.
us. So let's try it again. 1,
2, 3,
4, 5,
6,
7,
8,
9,
10,
11, 12, 13,
14,
15.
guys, what's the takeaway from this? Why were we able to do 15?
Taught me 2 competencies: composure and patience. Giving chance to others.
Yeah.
When you understood the body language, you understood behavior, and you understood Shrey. Okay, the probability is high when Shrey is moving that he is gonna do this. Yeah. So that's one way of understanding. And that's what a very basic level of understanding aura. And that's what we say, na, कि अगर feel हो रहा है, I can understand, maybe this is the sixth sense. Okay?
So my takeaway was that patience is key. You know, doing everything in a hurry just to finish the task does not help, and we should actually have the patience to do it at the right pace to be able to complete it fully.
I hope, guys, you found this piece of online engagement impressive and reflective. Just remember that the stakes are high when the participants are out of sight and their minds are free to wander. Such activities add so much depth in the session. And for rest of the session, the focus level of the participants increased immensely. I think you could have sensed that from the session. People were reading each other's mind and body language. This was the first time the audience felt what we call sixth sense. Do check out the YouTube channel for more of such icebreakers and energizing videos. They are sure to dramatically and immediately enhance the productivity of any virtual gathering. Let me know how you're planning to use this in your session. Do like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Wishing you all the best. Let's enable the work environment to be more capable and compassionate. Thank you.